عليكم. I'm Hamad Al-Azri. I'm going to today explain about the table. As I promised last time, I will create a new page. So this is can be done from file, a new page, or you can click on this page again, or click on this white paper. So by default, I'm going to use the file menu and choose a new, then page, HTML page, and click OK. So this is our new untitled page. I'm going to create a table. So this is my table. For example, as a title, I can maximize the font size and paragraph like H1, make it center, bold, and little bit size. Also we can change the font to red, font color. Okay, now we'll start creating a table. So as you are familiar in Microsoft Word, you can choose the columns here and rows here. Whatever you want, whatever you need, just click on or choose and click. So this is 3 by 3. This is the first, second, third columns, and the first and second rows. So this is called columns. This is called rows. Now I'm going to format this table. Like I will set here column ID. Another column is name, and third is like marks. So this is my table is about marks table. Okay, now I'm going to format this table. Right click on this table and choose table properties. You can change all the settings here, like layout, borders, background for your table. So bear in mind it is for your table only, not for the content of the table. I will explain how to change the background cells, border cells, and so on. So I'm going to make the border to 2 for this table, and border color to green to blue, like for example. Also I can set a background for my table by choosing the color here, or by choosing the more color, which is give need colors. Click on apply. Just before leaving, you can use also a background picture as a background by clicking browse. I'll click OK now. So this is my table now. As you see, the content or the middle things, it need to be formatted also. I have to choose them. Again, click on right, click and choose cell properties. From here I can also set border for my cell properties, change the color to maroon, like for example, and background color to silver. Click on apply and OK. So this is my table now. So if I click on tab, it will go to the next row. I'll set like ID 32 S 123 124 or whatever. The name or the student name, like Ahmed Al-Amri. and Marx is like he scored 70. Again for the next, like 32 J 1 2 3 4. Student name is Omar Saadi and his mark is 80. If now I want to add a new row, I have to click on the keyboard or tab on the keyboard, or you can click on like here and choose insert row below, or as I mentioned, you click on tab, it will add a new row. 32 has 4 5 6 7. Said Musallami, and write his score 90. Another student 32S Amina Al Daoudi, and she scored like 95. So this is the table. If we want to merge the things, sometime you need to merge, or you need to add some specification to your table. You just click on the outside the table, then click on the table, or by this way, when you see this shape, means you are holding the table, full table. You can choose auto format for your table. You can choose table properties again and page properties again. You can delete your table, delete your cell, copy paste, and the things. So if I need to merge, like for example, these two, Amina Al Daoudi and her score, I just choose the things which I want to merge, click right and select, click on the modify and merge cells. So merge means combining the two columns once. Okay, so I click Control Undo, Control Z. After you finish, just also you can set a caption for your table. You can click on this table, choose all things, insert caption. So the caption as a title or some notes you want to give to the user. Like for example, I will ask them to please check your mark from this table. You can also make a color for this, choosing this, like for example, choose the color, another color, click on apply. By the way, you can insert an image. For inserting the image, as we said last time, from file, images, choose video, this one. So by this way we add our table. At the end, click on save and save your page here. So I call it marks table, save it. Now we have two pages, default and marks table, that both of them are .html. You can preview my site on the Chrome. So this is my table. Now if I want to link this one to the home page, I just click on this image, hyperlink. So I create the first page, which is default. I just click default and click on OK. So now I can return to the home page, and from the home page maybe I can return to that one by clicking this, like for example. Again, I'll go hyperlink properties and choose marks table. Save, preview the Chrome. So this is our page. Click on video. Video is contain marks table, like for example. When I click again, I'll turn back to the home or to the default web page. So this is my session today. Thank you for watching and see you next time.